The government of Meghalaya has decided to enhance the grant in aid to all teachers belonging to the 710 pre-primary schools. Addressing the press after a cabinet meeting on Friday, Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the grant in aid enhancement for the pre-primary teachers is rupees 18,000. Previously, it was 12,000. There are altogether 710 such schools in the state. The Cabinet has also passed and adopted a Cabinet memo to change the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, Tura, to Captain William Sangma State University. He informed that the bill to this effect will be placed in the Assembly.
We've already passed and adopted a Cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? No, these will fall in place once the act is adopted. Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode. But with today's technology, everything is possible.